Hello guys, Saurabh here from EnglishWise. I'm discussing about a very important enabling skill today. We're not talking about any topic, but it's very important to understand any enabling skill as well. And the enabling skill that I'm targeting today is pronunciation. Many people have lots and lots of misconception regarding this pronunciation, and all we do is clear that misconception, give you the right strategy so that you can get your score. In order to get your pronunciation, what you can do and what not. But before I proceed, let me explain this. Pronunciation is one such enabling skill where 90 on 90 is not a must requirement. It's not a must have. Pronunciation, if you're aiming for 79 plus, people have been getting it. For anything 60 plus, I had students who have even got 79 plus in speaking with 38 pronunciation as well, or 36 as well. So that's okay. It's not a major enabling skill, but let me just clear some misconception regarding this enabling skill. I get a lot of students query or first time test taker or people out there believe that pronunciation means you have to sound exactly like a native speaker. But this is a very common myth. It's a very common misconception. That's not the case. When you fill out your form of PTE exam, it is asking you a very specific question. What language do you speak at home? Stress is on the word speak. It's ask you what you speak. If you select the language right, it will verify your pronunciation according to that accent. So you don't need to put up an accent in order to have correct pronunciation. All you have to do is you should know how to pronounce a word correctly. If you pronounce a word correctly or in the correct manner, and if you don't make any pronunciation error, you will score high in pronunciation. Another factor is you have to be loud and clear. If you mumble, if you speak like this, you won't get your pronunciation score because computer is not understanding your word. It will take it as a pronunciation error. This enabling skill, like your any other enabling skill, is also scored in a way that you don't have to make any mistakes. So if you mispronounce a word or don't pronounce a word correctly, then and only then it will reduce your score. You don't get high points for pronouncing in different accents. So please don't try this. You will hamper your score and it will be decreased. So just make sure that you're pronouncing it right, speaking loud and clear. That's it. It's a very simple enabling skill. Thanks guys. That's all for pronunciation. Make sure you watch all the videos that we put out there. It will be a great help for your PT. Many people are even scoring 79 plus with these videos. Make sure you write us on comments so that we can read that, help them out, or any other video that you want to request. Please write it on comment. We come up with new content every week. That's why please subscribe the channel. Thank you.